young about this world of ours. Sometimes you live in sunshine, sometimes you live in storm. But if you would keep happy when things are looking bad, just leave the corner of your mouth and make believe you're glad. And smile, 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 and keep right on smiling. Smile, 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 and clouds will pass away. Sometimes you live with people who always act so blue. They don't like it, they don't like that, no matter what you do. They never ask what you say.